The weaponization of water or attempts to unilaterally alter established arrangements undermine not only regional peace and stability, but also the broader framework of international law. International agreements, as I said, cannot be suspended or disregarded at convenience. Respect for treaties is indispensable for maintaining confidence among nations and preserving global order. Pakistan has consistently demonstrated its commitment to peaceful engagement and constructive dialogue and the faithful implementation of the treaty. But if an attempt is made to stop the water of Pakistan, our national leadership stands resolved to respond effectively to restore the water for the people of Pakistan. As the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, we also recognize the critical role of media and strategic communication in this context. In an age marked by misinformation and disinformation, it is imperative that the facts prevail over false narratives and truth triumphs over propaganda. Responsible media discourse can contribute significantly to fostering understanding, promoting peace, and reinforcing confidence-building measures. Distinguished participants, this seminar brings together eminent policymakers, legal experts, academics, and practitioners from across the world. Your collective wisdom and your thoughts will undoubtedly enrich our understanding and generate valuable recommendations for preserving and strengthening this vital international instrument. Let us reaffirm today that we will, by all means, not only protect the sanctity of this treaty, but we will do all that we can to protect the inalienable right of the 240 million people of Pakistan to the water of the Indus River. The waters of the Indus have flowed for millennia. They have witnessed transformations, yet they continue to sustain life with unwavering generosity. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that these waters remain a symbol of peace and shared prosperity for generations to come. I would also like to commend the Institute of Regional Studies and all partner institutions who have made this event possible today. And we collectively resolve today that we will do all that we can at all international forums, legally and otherwise, to ensure that the right to water of the Pakistani people is not only protected, but the world gets to see the attempts being made, the illegal attempts being made by India to alter or change this treaty, which it cannot do. And the right to water shall always remain very sacred. And the people of Pakistan, most of them who rely on agriculture for their livelihood and across Pakistan. So I think agriculture is the backbone of our country, and we are faced with challenges like climate change, but we must resolve today that this treaty shall prevail, and Pakistan stands firm in its determination to protect the livelihoods and the lives of the people of Pakistan, which are linked to the Indus River. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.